Good morning, Don Lane, Fraser Valley News, your morning news update for this Monday, December the 28th, that infamous week, traditionally, where we really don't know what day it is. And then, of course, the way 2020 has been, it really feels weird. You're not the only one. A COVID variant out of the UK, one passenger on an Air Canada flight now somewhere on Vancouver Island, Island Health and PHO, not saying where or who, but they have identified the flight. The COVID variant spreads a little faster than what we have seen, which can be a little bit scary. Now, the situation we understand from PHO, amongst other things like Center for Disease Control and that, is that the current COVID vaccines will work on this. So, the upside, that's the upside. The downside is it's going to take a while for everyone to get that vaccine. There is a petition on change.org to try and get frontline workers, EMS workers, paramedics and such vaccinated right off the top, as well as other frontline workers who are in facilities. And that petition is also being helped out by a couple of current and retired medical professionals here in the Fraser Valley, and that story is going up on FVN, Fraser Valley News Network, later on this morning. Also, it is an oddball day of what is open and what's not. Boxing Day, which is a Canadian stat, was a Saturday. So we're not too sure ourselves who's going to be open and who's not. So email ahead, phone ahead, check out websites and such like that, just so you don't have to waste yourself a trip. So that's where we are right now. It's going to be an interesting day. Team Canada doing okay, undefeated right now with the World Juniors in Alberta, and of course that's an interesting tournament as well. Seattle Seahawks have clinched the NFC West Division title over the LA Rams. They will finish no worse than third seed, because that fourth seed would be the NFC East, and that division is quite frankly pathetic. If you're an NFL fan, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Did I say the Washington football team? I didn't say anything about the Dallas Cowboys. Come on. I'm sure I will get flamed on social media for that. Have yourself a good one. It is, again, that weird week at the end of the year. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.